Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to swap columns and rows in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First of all, swap column. Click column, then swap. That's it. See this? Follow to this table and swap rows. Select, hold click, move anywhere. And another way, select table, only selected data, hold so this move icon and move anywhere. Apply the same process. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.